On this episode of Brooks Cooks, we're making...
Strawberry.
That's right, chocolate-covered strawberries. Now, what a treat. We get to witness the toddler chef in his natural habitat, tasting the fine fruits of the cacao tree. Now that we know our chocolate is of desired quality, let's get it ready for melting. You can break the chocolate with your hand or chop it with a knife. You can also use chocolate chips if you prefer, but that's not really as fun. Well, we probably don't need to try any more chocolate. Okay, there we go. Brooks. Okay. Oh, okay. That's done. To melt our chocolate, we like to heat a ½ inch of water in a pan on the stovetop and then set our pot of chocolate in the water. If you keep the heat on medium-low and stir frequently, it will be perfectly melted.
No. There's a big one.
Yeah, big bar.
A, B, E, D, A.
Uh-oh.
What break? What break?
Well, here Brooks shows us another method for breaking our bars into smaller pieces. Choose the one that you prefer. Okay, now, can we leave some for the strawberries, please? Thank you. While the chocolate is melting, we'll wash and dry our strawberries. Strawberries are one of the dirty dozen foods, so we always buy organic. The proper way to dry strawberries is to bunch them into a cloth and squeeze them hard against your body. Afterward, you can let them drop to the counter. Any bruising will be covered up by chocolate anyways. You might be familiar with massaging kale, but you may not know that you should always dance with your strawberries. It helps bring out their natural sweetness. Line a pan with some parchment, and then we're ready to dip those strawberries. Oops. Let's get that out of there. Now let's watch as Chef Brooks meticulously dips the strawberry. You want to take your time getting a nice even coating on all sides. Now, Brooks takes his strawberries to another level by drowning them in the chocolate completely, leaves and all. He loves the look on his loved ones' faces when they bite into one, only to realize they've eaten the greens and the stem too. Beautiful job. All right, when it comes to allowing time for this process, you should know it takes a while. You might be surprised to learn that this video is a time lapse, and at this point, it's taken us 3 hours to dip 3 strawberries. But this is a meditative activity and really calms the mind, so it's all good. Also, just a tip, if you don't want anyone to know you've been licking your fingers, it's best to wipe that chocolate evidence off your face. Doing a little dancing in between helps recenter your mind so you can stay focused. 10 out of 10, my friend. Once you've dipped your strawberries, you can decorate them with cute little love notes, and be sure to deliver them in person too. The recipients will be so grateful. Bon appetit!